To make money in music, we have to develop products and services. But a lot of music creators don't understand what types of products and services to be able to create to make money, or either the system and the sequence that it takes to be able to make money without streaming, without labels, right? So to get into it, what we need to do is we need to first figure out why the system isn't making us the type of money that we're looking for, and why not a lot of people going through the music industry system become either quote unquote rich or superstars, or what they would like to become. The main source of income right now for the music industry is streaming, which is a fraction of a penny. So artists, producers, engineers, and songwriters all get together, we create a product, and we feed it through this system. But through this system, we all have to get paid from a fraction of a penny. So unless we have tons of streams, tons of marketing, tons of attention, that won't be possible. But it's unstable income. We cannot rely on this income because people listen, they don't listen. And then we don't have the ability to get to our direct consumer, our fans. We don't have the ability to remarket to them. So if royalties are paid from this, publishing is paid from this pool. And it's not like how you used to be 20, 30 years ago where we were getting paid from dollars, where we're getting paid from whole album sales. The game has changed. Now, just the mere fact that it's unstable income and there's no daily income would be reason enough for most people to jump off the boat. And this is also the reason why all of these distribution platforms are selling all of a sudden, because most people are trying to figure out a different way to make money in music. Because if we take away every label, every platform, every streaming site, every AI platform, people would just sell direct. Now, what type of products or services do we need to be able to sell direct? Right? The first thing that we need is something free, right? It's just like going to a mall. If you were to go to a mall and there's a particular restaurant that you've never seen before, you usually would see people going around passing out free samples. Because if their brand is not on the level where you already know this company, then you would have to be able to establish rapport very, very quickly. The best way to do that is to give out something free. Maybe a free beat, maybe free music, maybe free sessions, maybe free something to get your potential customer in the door. We need something. We need a free product. But the key is the product has to be so good that somebody would be willing to pay for it. The next thing that we have to do is we need a product, a low ticket product for our prospects. Our prospects are our leads. Our leads are somebody that we could just contact. Do we have the ability to be able to contact them? Either through DM, either through email, either through phone number, some type of medium, but we need a cheaper product. This could be a song at $1, you know, at $1 or $3, right? This could be an album or EP at $6 to $20, right? Any cheap product that you can come up with. It could be a guide. It could be, you know, a vocal pack, a free vocal pack, a drum loop or loops or whatever, sample loops, whatever you come up with. No matter what you do, you need something for your leads that will elicit trust. You're trying to help them trust you as much as possible. We want to do that with low ticket things. Next thing we need a main offer. What could our main offer be? It could be a program. It could be a feature, right? It could be a beat lease. It could be an actual sample pack that we're selling for $47, $97. It could be a course. It could be whatever we're trying to do, right? This main offer has to be able to make us a living though. We need to say that I could sell 4 of these. I could sell 3 of these. I could sell 6 of these or 10 of these things, and it would make me a living every day. So we need a main offer that could make us a living, right? And then after that, we need a mid-ticket thing or either a high-ticket thing, right? Mentorship, experiences, live shows, something that somebody pays us a lot of money to be able to do. Now let's look at this. Let's use Chris Brown in this particular case. Chris Brown you could buy his CDs or vinyls, right? Low ticket. You can go to his shows and concerts, right? You could take a picture with him, which is his high ticket thing, which is the experience. That's $1,200 that takes him about a minute to fulfill, right? So one thing that we have to notice about creating all of these products is that all of our customers are not created equal. The thing that that music creators get wrong in music is that we think that all of our customers are created equal. In the Chris Brown concept, only about 4% of his customer base are only going to spend that $1,200. But that customer base, if you go to a concert, if I have 100, 200 people willing to do that, 50 people to do that, willing to do that at $1,200 a pop, I could have made six figures in very little time. If each one of these pictures takes about a minute to fulfill, and I have 100 people, that's 100 minutes to fulfill to be able to make $120,000. So we have to be able to understand our products and services, and then also we want to be able to put them and craft them in a way where they're easy to fulfill. Because in music, we want to make money fast and we want to make it easy. It might start off a little bit difficult, but if we craft our products and services in such a way, we can be able to make money very quickly. Now, I teach my students this all of the time, that you want to pair your best skills with the best opportunities, right? And if you guys want to learn how to do this, check out my Music Money Growth Kit. It's a program that I designed that will teach you exactly this, step by step: where to sell, how to craft your offers, how to use social media and turn your social media into a sales page without a website, so you guys and girls can be able to make money daily from music. Just to summarize this whole video: free thing, product or service for prospects, your main offer, your high ticket thing. I'm Federo. Till next time.